Alright. It's all cleaned up now. So now, you go in there, it goes a little bit further now. Hopefully it won't jam up when you try to shift it now. So, now the reason I didn't do this the first time was I didn't want to butcher stuff. Shouldn't have to do this kind of crap. Things are made wrong. And this other one, right here, which works just fine, if you notice, is not ground. So why would you have to grind one and not the other? It's because there's other things going on that you don't see. Until you try all your other options first, you don't know what you got to do. And I have screwed stuff up by doing this before, so just because it might work now doesn't mean it works every time. Like my grease. So when you start doing stuff like this, be prepared to lose parts. It's very easy to screw stuff up as well as fixing it. Oh, gotta put the plungers in here too. Alright, plungers. We have the fancy looking springs. Okay, which plungers look new, which ones look used? That's definitely used. These two look new. Must be a new one. Damn, Scooby, you stink. Damn. Damn, it's hard to breathe in here right now. Ah, damn, the dog stinks. Damn. Oh, I gotta go. I gotta open the door up. Damn, Scooby, what did you do? Man, the dog's not even around. This stinks up the place. Ugh. Ah. Get foggy in here. It stinks so bad. Ah, it's terrible. Okay, there's that. Okay, the fancy shiny one is his. Okay, the new washer. And this is the old snap ring, which got to modify. This one's been squeezed a couple times too many. So you squeeze it another time this way. You tighten it up. You do that a couple times before they start to break. You want to bend it more in a thick part than a thin part. See, this one bent in a thin part, this one a bit more in a thick part. They're back to zero and close. You got a sharp side and a dull side. This is the sharp side. Sharp side goes up, that way it has a better bite on the groove. Better chance of staying in there. Well, nice and tight. So you want to rotate it, make sure it's in the groove, and then you want to make sure it does not move. If it moves in the groove, it'll spin, then it'll come loose. So it's got a good pinch on it. Alright, so now we can go ahead and put this one together. This is all his old stuff, except maybe the springs are my old ones, I don't know. They had wear marks on them, so they might be old. Other than that, it's all his parts. This bolt don't want to go in. Still fighting the bolt. Lock's got to stay in there, so let gravity help us by holding it at an angle instead of fighting it the other way. Okay. Big punch. 3/8 punch with a shifter. Doesn't work. I think it's in high gear. I don't know if it goes to the next top. Let's see. Second, third, fourth. Yeah, we're in fourth gear. Third, second, low. Neutral, second, third, fourth. Oh, there's no fifth. Appears to be working. We had issues with that before, remember? Okay, so that part's in there now. That hurt. I just took that thumbnail off, see right there. Slimy ass thumbs, heavy parts. Breaks nails off. That's why these are short. Keep getting broken off. Okay, shift fork. Plus 30. The other one. So when it gets all against the lock piece down there, good. Gear, shaft, and all the washers are in. Now, someone made a comment, why don't I bevel the washer? These are really, really thin washers, so it's hard to bevel them very much. But yeah, that would help a little bit if I did bevel it. So that you can do on a grinder a little bit, and it'll make the washer a little bit thinner. If it actually sucks in more, it'll give you more in-play. Right now I have enough in-play the way it is. If it needs more in-play, it'll bevel itself in. But I might go do that still. That was a good idea. Turning the washer down is a bad idea. It'd be very hard to do that. Bevel it, just take that same grinder I just used in the back and just grind an edge all the way around it evenly, about a 45 degree, be fine. Quick and simple, not that hard to do. Okay, let's see if this works. I'm digging it over here again. Alright. Don't forget to put that in there. It does not work very good if you don't put the shift shaft in. It's one of those important pieces to make it work. Okay, bearings are in. Washers are on. Doors in. Couple taps. Always make sure it turns as you're tightening. That way you don't lock everything all up. Start breaking stuff while you're trying to tighten these bolts up, like I did the first time I did it wrong. Okay, it all turns. Got a replay in there. Still binds up a little bit when it wants to. Something's not quite straight, I don't know what it is. It will wear in. Let's see. Thank you. Good and tight. Okay. It's neutral, low. The dogs are lined up right now. Dogs aren't lined up, it's going to shift. And the spring tension is not making it go either, which it should. There it goes. Okay. Still no second. It's trying to, it feels like. It did it that time. See, it's binding up in the shifter. Whatever it is, it's pushing through it right there. We're in high gear right now, so. Back to low, back to second. Okay, so that made it shift, but it's very, very tight. Still not correct, but I was able to jam it all the way through. Probably should have shifted on the bench, but oh well. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Probably haven't lost those rollers yet. I've had things out so many times already. Only had one roller fall out so far. At least that's going correct. Okay, I was going to mark it and I forgot to. Trying to think what I'm going to do here. Move the lever up. Yeah. See, I forgot to mark it, so now I got to take it back, put it back together and do it again. So duplicate the problem. Find out where the high spot is at. cut the damn thing off. We're in high right now. So the downshift works fine. The upshift not so much. If the lever goes in too far, it won't shift at all. Slide all the way out here where it belongs. You can force it, see? So it's hitting on something right there. Alright. I should leave enough mark. I should be able to tilt something, I hope. Third gear, right? Close. Doesn't matter. So right now you got to put that shift lever on. If the shaft goes all the way in, you tighten it down like I got it right now. It will never shift. You have to pull the shift shaft all the way out, then put the lever on it, tighten it down, and stay out. If it slides in at all, it binds up and you're screwed again. So, more issues. Definitely hitting on this side heavily. This side here looks good. So it looks like we did the right thing. Just needs more. Damn it. So you can see how it's hitting pretty good right there. You can see how it's mushing across this whole area pretty hard still. You can see how this side here, the red is still on the where I cut it. And over here you can see it's all ground away. So this is the part where we need to grind it more to make it work. So this isn't deep enough in here. So I have to make that a lot deeper to clear. But we're in a step in the right direction now at least. So we'll grind a bunch more off of that. Alright, I'll be back.